Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 35, Maulana Jami, and Dream 36, the plantain fruits. On the 24th of the month Taqi of the year Shadab on Friday in the afternoon at Hyderabad, I had a dream. It seemed as if the servant of God had gone into a garden in which there were several buildings. The people told me that Maulana Jami was staying there. I went to the Maulana and expressed my pleasure at his arrival. The Maulana said to me, "I have come to meet you." I again repeated how nice and appropriate it was that he had come, and added, "In old times lived Maulana Sadi, and in our own God Almighty had produced Maulana Jami and sent him to us. I shall seek his blessings." Having said that, I took the Maulana with me to my residence. That very night in the early hours of the morning, I had another dream. A young and beautiful woman, putting on costly jewelry and clothes, came to me. She was carrying 3 big ripe plantain fruits of the size of large cucumbers. She handed over the fruits to the servant of God, and I said I had never seen such plantain fruit. I ate one of them and found it extremely sweet and delicious. In the meanwhile, I woke up. End of Dream 35 and Dream 36.